In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename yourself in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're updating your last name due to a recent change, want to adjust your display name for professional reasons, or simply feel like using a nickname. It's a quick and simple process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, make sure you're logged into Microsoft Teams. If you're not signed in yet, open the Teams app or web version and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture or initials are displayed. Click on it to open your profile menu. Inside the profile menu, you'll notice an option with a small pencil icon. This is the universal symbol for editing. In Microsoft Teams, that pencil icon is exactly what you'll need to click to change your name. Once you select it, you'll be taken to a section where you can edit your profile details. Here you'll see fields for your first name and last name. This is where you can enter your new display name. Maybe you want to change your surname, switch to a shortened version of your first name, or even update it to match the format your colleagues use. Whatever your preference, carefully type in the new name you'd like to use, making sure it looks exactly the way you want others to see it. After typing in your updated name, look for the Save button. Clicking this will confirm your changes and apply them across Microsoft Teams. Keep in mind that it might take a minute or two for the update to sync across all your devices, but once it's processed, your new display name will appear in chats, meetings, and Teams channels. And that's it. You've successfully renamed yourself in Microsoft Teams. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your profile current, avoiding confusion with coworkers, and ensuring smoother communication in both professional and personal settings. If at any point you want to make another adjustment, you can simply repeat these same steps. It's a flexible process that you can revisit whenever needed. Keeping your display name up to date not only reflects professionalism, but also helps others recognize you instantly during collaborations. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Now you're ready to take control of your team's profile and keep it aligned with your identity. Happy teaming.